Are you someone who has a dream of becoming an actor? If yes, this reel is for you. Hi, my name is Nikkhil Dixit. I'm the director and founder of Roobaru Roshni Theatre Company. Many aspiring actors spend years searching, watching videos, taking random workshops, but they still don't know where to begin. And that's why I have created this 100 pages acting guide, a simple, powerful book that gives you a clear roadmap to start your acting journey the right way. What's inside? It has easy exercises to do at your home, various topics of acting, tips for auditions and performing on camera, ways to control your voice and body, various acting techniques, and advice to connect deeply with any character or scene. Now, who is it for? Whether you are a student, a teenager, aspiring actor, or a working professional, if you are above 10, this guide is for you. It also helps you grow in real life by improving your confidence, communication, body language, discipline, and creativity. So if you're serious about growing as an actor, don't wait. Click the link below and get your guide at a discounted price of only $2.99 today.